Wait, these carrots might be the best I have ever grown. Let's see what's under the soil. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to harvest these carrots, and honestly, I do not know what to expect. The tops look real good. Hopefully we'll have carrots underneath. So here's a quick tip. When your carrot tops start to get tall, anywhere from 8 to 12 inches, that means that your carrots should be ready to be harvested. You can also brush back the soil a little bit and see what's down there. There's one there and another one. Now, carrots need moist and rich soil, loose soil, to grow. And for the most part, this is what we have here. And you don't want to pack them in too closely. And I think that's probably what I did here from what I'm seeing. It's a nice one here. Now there's the longest one. These came straight out of my bed. And you really can't beat the fresh from their soil quality. If you're going to grow carrots, make sure your soil is loose and rock free. That's the secret to keeping the roots nice and straight. Harvest like this is exactly why I love gardening. Fresh, organic, and grown right from home. Here is our harvest for today. I want to thank you for coming along with me while we harvested our carrots straight from the soil. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.